Most amazing machines you didn't know existed. Many of us love to watch science fiction movies featuring weird and wonderful machines that seem to be nothing more than a fantasy from a faraway future that may never come to be. However, sometimes the machines we come across in the real world are actually far more impressive than anything a movie director could dream up. Allow us to show you the most amazing machines you didn't know existed. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Be sure to stay till the end of the video to check out our number 1 pick. Number 10. Gyro track mulching machines. If you've ever needed to get rid of a tree quickly, then the first entry on our list might just pique your interest. Allow us to introduce you to the gyro track mulching machines. The gyro track mulching machines take trees that would normally require hours of manpowered labor to remove and devours them in seconds. Forget about cutting down trees and dragging them away. This beastly machine saves time by converting the wood into mulch directly on the spot. Don't have a lot of time to get the job done? No problem. Gyro track mulching machines are actually the fastest mulchers in the world. Gyro track mulching machines use an innovative planar tooth design to make incredibly fine mulch from even the toughest trees. What's more, this technology actually weighs less and takes less fuel to run than conventional mulching machines. Whether you're a professional landscaper with a huge workload or just a regular Joe who needs to clear some trees off their property, there's no denying that these gyro track mulching machines are the ideal tool for the job. Number 9. Manta 5 hydrofoil bikes. Enjoy spending time on the water? You're not the only one. Every year when the summer rolls around, millions of Americans head for the closest body of water to enjoy some quality boating time. However, the Manta 5 hydrofoil bike aims to introduce an innovative new leisure activity to those long weekends at the lake house or by the ocean. Keen cyclists will be astounded by this amazing invention. The Manta 5 hydrofoil bike actually allows you to ride your bike on the water. That's right. This is a bicycle that rides on top of the water. How insane is that? Manta 5 engineered the hydrofoil bike using the same technology that keeps the world-famous America's Cup sailboats on the water. The Manta 5 hydrofoil bike is no slouch on those waves, though. You can achieve an astonishing top speed of up to 12 miles per hour. Not bad for a bit of pedal power. Thinking of picking up a Manta 5 hydrofoil bike? It'll set you back a cool $9,000. Which we honestly don't think is too bad for something as innovative as this. Number 8. Hover bike. Not content with a bike that can float on water? How about one that can fly? The hover bike is a crazy new piece of technology from engineering and tech company HoverSurf. The hover bike is an adrenaline junkie's dream come true. It flies up to heights of 16 feet in the air safely, but is capable of going even higher in the hands of an experienced rider. Built out of carbon fiber for weight reduction, you'll be impressed to find out that the hover bike weighs just 253 pounds. While most flying machines require runways or landing pads to be able to operate, the hover bike has been designed with a footprint small enough that it can land and take off from a regular parking space. As you'd expect, this is a nippy little beast. It can achieve an incredibly rapid top speed of up to 60 miles per hour. In fact, if the hover bike wasn't speed limited due to legal restrictions, it'd be able to go even faster than that. Number 7. Ballast cleaning and track renewal machine. You probably spent some time traveling on trains at one point or another, but you might not be aware of just how much maintenance is required to keep those big old machines on the rails. The ballast cleaning and track renewal machine is an important maintenance tool for railways across the world. An essential component of the effectiveness of ballast is tessellation. The hard edges of the rocks essentially interlock together. Over time, these hard edges get worn down and the ballast begins to lose effectiveness. Worst of all, buildup of grime and sand can fuse ballast together into lumps that can be dangerous when present on the railway. By cleaning the ballast and replacing any overly worn rocks, the ballast cleaning and track renewal machine ensures that the railway can continue to operate safely. What's even more impressive is that this colossal machine is actually capable of renewing the railway tracks as well as maintaining the ballast. Old and potentially dangerous tracks are removed and subsequently replaced, all by one machine. Number 6. Case IH Advanced Farming Systems. When you go to the grocery store to buy fruit, vegetables, and other produce, you might be forgiven for not thinking about the process required to produce them. However, if you're interested in discovering the tools that modern farmers use, you may be impressed by the Case IH Advanced Farming System. Analytics and data are becoming more and more important in gaining an edge over the competition in modern business. Farming is no different than any other line of work in this respect. That's why the Case IH Advanced Farming Systems allows you to keep track of your fleet of farm vehicles all in real time. Forget about wasting time and money by using machinery and resources inefficiently. The Case IH Advanced Farming Systems saves money by implementing automatic guidance systems. This system is so precise, it's able to plant seeds down to an inch of accuracy. Full touchscreen operation allows you the ultimate level of control over machinery. What's more, you can even retrofit the Case IH Advanced Farming System to an existing older tractor if you need to. The Case IH Advanced Farming System keeps track of everything your workers do and is able to collate all that information into advanced heat maps and even send you charts and reports. Number 5, Pick Right Debris Collector. Disposing of masses of trash or fallen leaves can be an incredible headache, even if you have access to workmen and industrial equipment. The Pick Right Debris Collector aims to change all of that with an innovative new approach to cleaning up. Pick Right Debris Collector essentially acts as a gigantic vacuum cleaner. It sucks up everything that comes into its path and leaves the streets and sidewalks of your neighborhood looking clean and fresh. A specially designed triple-axis boom allows the suction pipe precision control over where it goes. No need for a man on the ground to manhandle the pipe around here. The Pick Right Debris Collector needs just a single operator to go about its daily business. No matter how big the mess, the Pick Right Debris Collector is capable of dealing with it. In fact, this monstrous vacuum can hold up to 19 cubic yards of trash or other debris. There's even a built-in trash compactor to ensure that the Pick Right crams in the maximum load. Number 4, Railroad Track Loader. Going back to trains for a minute, we'd like to introduce you to our next amazing machine. The Railroad Track Loader is an incredibly versatile piece of construction machinery designed to get the hard work of railroad maintenance done in no time at all. Heavy lifting is what the Railroad Track Loader is all about. This brutish machine can flex its muscles and lift up to 11.3 tons of weight. Crossing train tracks is usually pretty difficult for anything that isn't a train. That's why the Railroad Track Loader has been specially designed to actually run along those tracks in the same way a train does. When the terrain gets tough, this awesome vehicle can rely on its giant tracks to make some headway. As you'd expect from a beastly piece of machinery like this, the Railroad Track Loader is no lightweight. It clocks in at a scale-shattering 40 tons. It doesn't just lift, though. The Railroad Track Loader can be fitted with different attachments to do various other jobs. Everything from giant drills to digger buckets are able to be installed on this truly versatile machine. Number 3, KUKA OmniMove. Moving incredibly large and super heavy objects around has long been the preserve of big trucks with bigger trailers. The KUKA OmniMove is about to change all of that and shake up several industries in the process. The KUKA OmniMove is an autonomous movement platform. It's like the trailer of a semi-truck that can move around by itself. There's no need for a vehicle to pull it, and it doesn't have a driver. The power supply is fully self-contained too, making this a truly autonomous vehicle. Designed for use in industries that have to transport huge payloads, such as aviation and construction, the KUKA OmniMove is capable of carrying objects up to a staggering 90 tons and up to 30 meters in length. Using KUKA navigation solution technology, the OmniMove is capable of navigating by itself. Unlike other robots, it doesn't need floor markings for guidance. A highly sophisticated sensor array helps keep this machine out of trouble and away from potential collisions. In high-pressure situations where payloads can be worth millions of dollars, precision is of the utmost importance. That's why the KUKA OmniMove is capable of delicate load transferal with accuracy down to just 3 millimeters. Number 2, Road Zipper. Whenever there's construction work required on the motorway, there needs to be a considerable amount of attention paid to safety. Motorists and road workers alike need to be protected against accidents and injuries. The Road Zipper is an ingenious machine designed to rapidly lay down collision-resistant barriers that protect against impact from vehicles. If you've ever wondered how they put down those barriers that segment off lanes on the highway, you're about to have your mind blown. The road zipper works by redeploying sections of specially designed barriers into new locations. It can move these barrier sections up to 9 meters at a time, allowing incredible flexibility for workers. The specially designed barriers that the road zipper deploys are able to withstand high-speed impacts from all kinds of vehicles, even heavy bruisers like trucks and buses. Thanks to the innovative safety technology, people or cars on the other side of the barrier will be totally safe in most cases. The road zipper has been used in applications across many well-known locations, even incredibly busy ones, such as the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Number 1. Autonomous electric tractor. Everyone who's ever had any interest in farming knows the name John Deere. This iconic tractor manufacturer has been producing farm machinery since 1837. That's almost 200 years of farming heritage. Now, John Deere are moving straight into the future with their latest invention, the autonomous electric tractor. For the longest time, it was a huge task to deal with the incredible amount of emissions produced by farm vehicles. These huge machines needed huge engines and ended up putting up huge amounts of pollution. The autonomous electric tractor uses a purely electric motor and produces 0 emissions. That might just make this the most eco-friendly tractor on the planet. John Deere have considered options for all different classes of use with the autonomous electric tractor. You can have it fitted with traditional tires, or go for a rough ground upgrade and have tracks installed instead. Regular tractors are huge and bulky, but the autonomous electric tractor takes up just a fraction of the space while still delivering the same results. Sophisticated AI technologies allow the autonomous electric tractor to self-direct and function in a truly autonomous fashion. Regardless of where the future takes us, we think that this machine has a place in that brave new tomorrow. And that's most amazing machines you didn't know existed. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.